my gosh, wait. Hi Fab friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your Fab friend, Jacky Navarro, and if you're new here to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you want to get more updates every time I have a new video, just click the bell button down beside the subscribe button. Alright, for today's video, we are gonna try a DIY. So it's gonna be my first time to do a DIY in my video. I think so. This is gonna be the first time. So I saw this video on Facebook about this DIY and I was amazed and I wanted to try it. And my friend Ate Owi, hi Ate Owi, said she wants to try it also, but she wants me to do it first on my channel. So this video is actually for you Ate Owi. So let's go! So this DIY is how to curl your hair in just a minute. Like imagine you can just do your hair in just one. I think you already have an idea. It's the bottle. So it's the bottle hair curler DIY. So let's go ahead and do it. I have here of course, an empty bottled water and my scissor, which I also use to cut my hair. If you want to see that crazy video, just click up here and I will link it on the description box too. And of course our blow dry. Yes, I know everything is pink. I like pink. Yes, pink. So first you cut the bottle on top to put where you put your hair. So I'm gonna cut it. I use a knife to cut it because it's so hard to use the scissors to cut it. So now I grab some lighter to clear the edges so I won't hurt myself. I think that's good. Now I will cut like a square where I put the blow dry. So I think I will do like a little bigger, like that. So I'll be back again. Alright, here it is. Let's see if this is effective. So I will just get a small portion of my hair and put it inside the bottle, just like so. I'll set it on to the like super hot. So put the blow dry inside. Oh my gosh, wait. It's hot. The bottle is hot. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my goodness. Let me just get a gloves. This is hot, wait. Let's see. Whoa, it's not effective. Wait. Okay, one more time. Take two. I already have my gloves here because it's hot. So let's do it again. So I'll just grab my hair. So should I put a lot? So probably this thick. You know, my hair today is so like shiny and it's so hard to curl. So let's see if this is effective. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, wait. I think I'm not doing it right. One more time. One more time. Okay, I think that is enough. Okay, let's see. Okay, is that effective? Yep, I think so. But I do it like this way. Not really, because my hair is really hard to curl. So when you put the blow dry inside, make sure that it's slanted like slightly so that the hair will curl this way or this way. So let's do it one more time. Ow, 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 ow. That's very hot. Make sure you have a gloves. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. Work it, baby. It's working. Look. Ooh, that is so easy. Look how hot the blow dry is. My bottle shrank. Like, oh, look at that. It's it shrink, and still hot if you hold it, like sizzling hot. Oh my, ooh. Wow. So my final thought about this bottle DIY curler, so it's definitely easy to use and it's very quick, like in instant my hair is already curled. It saves me more time than using my curling iron. So if you have a long hair, this is really helpful for you. It's really easy and quick. So give it a try and let me know if this is effective on the comment box below, so that our other friends will also know if they want to try this. So thank you guys for watching me today, and if you haven't subscribed on this channel, please subscribe, and if you had fun, click the like button, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and loved ones, and I will see you again in our next video. Stay fabulous. I love ya.